got myself a OnePlus Open right here. This is a device that I wanted to get my hands on. Just was waiting for the right time, and it is in my hands. I just got it today. Pretty much, I have a buddy on Facebook that I know that I did a phone trade with before. He had the OnePlus Open. This was in mint condition and everything. But anyways, he had the OnePlus Open. He liked it, but he was the kind of user that was only using the outer display, is what he told me. So he didn't mind us doing a phone swap. So pretty much I swapped him my OnePlus 12 with $200 because he said, okay, we can do the swap, but can you throw in $200, And I was like, yes, because, this is a lot of money because it folds, and that was just one slab of a device. So I traded him the phone plus $200, and now I have myself a OnePlus Open. I currently have it all set up and everything. It is, so far, it's so good. I will make some content about this device if that's something you guys want to see, even though I already know there are oodles and oodles of videos out about the OnePlus Open, and they're talking about the new OnePlus Open 2, whatever. I just wanted to get my hands on this device because, I like folding phones, and I wanted to see what OnePlus's folding phone had to offer. Don't do that though. Don't do that. And this is what it looks like opened up. This feels lighter than I thought. It currently has a original OnePlus case on it. That's what he had gotten, and that's what it came with. So that's what I'm rocking. I do have to try to get a screen protector for this. Get some more cases. So if there's some companies that got these cases, let me know, or I'll DM you guys and try to get some cases, or just buy some cases for this OnePlus Open. But I just wanted to make this a little update that, yes, I do have OnePlus Open. I got rid of my OnePlus 12 for the OnePlus Open. No, there wasn't nothing wrong with my OnePlus 12. I really, really, really did enjoy and like the OnePlus 12, and I still do. I just wanted the OnePlus Open, and with that kind of deal that my friend gave me, I was like, oh yeah, I have to pass. I have to not pass that up. Of course, this only has 3 cameras on the back, but this, I heard, takes nice cameras, nice photos. I thought I loved the way the Pixel Fold felt in the hand. Man, this one really, really feels nice. This is like having a regular device, pretty much. So I can't wait to start using this, texting on this, using the outer the screen, using the inner display for content watching and video watching and movie watching and game playing if I play some games on this OnePlus Open. But pretty much, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.